Hello all, this was a fun DIY spring project. I refinished the porch furniture to a shabby chic look. I started by sanding it down but not completely smooth. You want it to look a bit weathered. I then went over it with a few coats of white outdoor paint. I used some of my black acrylic paint to dab various areas of the glider, chair, and table. I then used the brush with the white paint to drag over the black after each dab to give it that distressed look. I finished it up with some turquoise cushions, lanterns for mood lighting, a few pots of flowers, and a grapevine wreath. I also put down an outdoor area rug and a cozy throw to complete the whole new look. Let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.